It's time for him to go.
I think so.
Ito yung tinatawag.
Okay. Attention just like in the gym. Okay, timing. Huwag magbuhos. Timing tayo, okay? Timing.
Yun ang pinaka-importante ng mga sinasabi. Jun, timing, wag magbuhos.
And-
Napakaklaro na sinasabi ni
Right.
Buboy.
And what Freddie said that feint and throw that uppercut because Diaz tends to dip his head when Manny throws a jab.
Naku, yun na naman yung kanan na yun. And now Manny Pacquiao just pouring everything dito po sa round na ito. Round number 8 of scheduled 12 rounder.
There, that's what they wanted to do, that jab and the uppercut.
From a distance, Manny Pacquiao still lethal, ha?
Always have the devastating punch, although the other guy is taking the punch well. But I feel that this guy's the toughest in the division in terms of taking a punch.
I think so because, you know, Manning's unloading power shots in combinations. It's not as though he gives a soft shot tapos he follows with a power shot. Yung mga suntok ni Manny dito, sunod-sunod, puro power.
Nung una po ako nanonood ng boxing, naririnig ko sinasabi, no? Na yung suntok daw ni George Foreman could actually knock out a horse. Kung kabayo ang kalaban ni Manny Pacquiao, baka masa-knockout pa.
Probably.
Diaz looks a little shaky at this point.
Baka ito yung crossroads para kay Diaz.
He's
He has
taken
absorbed everything.
Taken a lot of punishment here.
Yeah, it's
Diaz
just
is
a matter
trying
of
to come back.
time.
Simply on heart ito.
Yeah, it's just a matter of time for his body to wear and give up. But his heart won't.
Sure, Diaz is backing up a little bit here.
Ito, nasasaktan na. But he comes back with that combination. The only style of his punching.
There's absolutely no defense on the part of Diaz right now. He's ready for the taking.
Kailangan mag-ingat si Manny. Nakita ko yung swing ng siko ni David Diaz. Using that right. Trying to cover up. Ito pong si David. But Pacquiao, simply awesome with that display of boxing skills.
Well,
Tamo, bago siya maka-counter, nakawala na si Manny Pacquiao.
I
You know,
think
we haven't seen Manny Pacquiao move as well as this. And also, as he is fighting a brilliant defensive. You know, yung offense niya is a given. But what about his defense in this fight?
Ito yung sinasabi ni Freddie Roach. The completion of the process ni Manny Pacquiao.
and we are witnessing history right now for Philippines and for
The whole world.
Asia.
Sino-sino ba yung mga
Fighter.
nakaapat? Naririnig niyo yung hata is a Visayan term for fake. Fakein mo,
Yeah,
di ba, Noy?
fake. Exactly.
Fakein mo para bumaba at tamaan ng
that's a
upper.
Good counter. But still, Diaz is still right in front of him.
You know,
Although
the thing
he's
is,
boxing.
June, this is round number 8. Diaz has not gone down. I would say he's still a dangerous fighter at this stage. He's taken a lot of punishment. Pero may lakas pa din ito, maski na papano.
Yeah.
Tawag namin ano, grabing matutawag ang kampiyon. Masyadong mataas ang fight. Ito po sila Diaz. At ang mga doktor closely monitoring ito pong si David Diaz. This is not what I bargained for.
Pretty much.
Round 9. Bilib rin ako sa kondisyon that Manny Pacquiao is in.
Oh, yeah. Tremendous condition. I mean, power punches, hundreds of punches, and yet you're still standing and throwing more punches and power punches.
Sikreto ho dyan, basketball at bisikleta. But ito si David Diaz is connecting some punches of his own. Tandaan nyo, si David Diaz is dangerous in the trenches o yung pong patapos ang laban.
That's right. This is where he's most dangerous. Mga 9-10 rounds. In the late going, that's when Diaz turns it on because ang feeling niya, napapagod na at this stage yung kanyang kalaban. So this is also a test of the conditioning ni Manny.
Pagkatapos ng laban kay Marquez, hindi daw siya tumigil magpakondisyon. Basketball, minsan 4 na laro isang araw. Yan po ang conditioning regimen ni Manny Pacquiao.
Well, malaking sakripisyo din ang ginawa ni Manny, no, in preparing himself for this fight. At least 7 weeks of hard training sa
Oh, yun yung dito.
wildcard gym sa Hollywood.
Hindi daw siya tumigil mag-ensayo, and now he's reaping the fruits of yung kanya pong hard labor. Again, that long jab of Manny Pacquiao. Rocks! Ito pong si David Diaz with that left.
But David Diaz is still going. He has a lot of tremendous heart. I mean, Mexican fighters are usually, that's their trademark, you know.
Oh, nice shot there,
Oh.
left hand.
I have seen the strongest punches of Manny Pacquiao, and I haven't seen him throw this many dangerous punches in a bout.
You know, this is also a credit to yung bagong conditioning program na ginawa ng
Si Alex
trainer,
Ariza.
si Alejandro Alex Ariza of Colombia, if I'm not mistaken.
Colombiano.
Oh.
Yun na naman, oh, yung jab, kita mo. Umiigkas yung ulo, and there's
Oh, nice shot.
that shot
And
by
it's
Manny
over.
Pacquiao.
It's over.
It's over.
Pipigilin na. Referee Vic Drakulich. And look at Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, what a shot. A big
That
blow.
was a beautiful shot.
Unbelievable ending. And you know,
That was a
at
beautiful shot.
nakita natin, yung unang-unang reaction ni Manny, pumunta doon to check whether David Diaz was okay. I mean, that was a natural reaction on his part.
Nasagot na yung tanong natin, how long can he withstand the punishment?
That's it.
And David Diaz is down only the second time in his illustrious career.
Unbelievable ending. I have not seen Manny Pacquiao fight
so
as
beaten up.
superbly as in this fight.
Oh, yeah.
Offensively, defensively, conditioning, lahat pinakita ni Manny Pacquiao.
A++.
Yeah.
Everything. Power, speed, technical.
May question ba kung sino ang pound for pound?
Oh, no.
Best
there's no
fighter in
question.
the universe?
Without a doubt.
Without a doubt. Exactly. I do agree with
Manny
you guys on
Pacquiao
that.
has made every single Filipino proud this day.
Pinapagstop to dito sa Aliranda.
He never saw it coming.
The last time, lahat
That was a beautiful performance. I mean, not only that, the way he showed how many punches, no matter how many punches I will throw, I will not tire and I will not stop.
Before we give the official time, a round of applause for a young man from Chicago with the heart of a lion, an Olympian and a world champion, David Diaz. Referee Vic Drakulich calls a halt to this bout at 2 minutes, 24 seconds, round number 9. The winner by knockout victory,